Hello viewers, how are you? This is Asghar Ali with Computers Accounting Software Tally ERP9 and we are in lecture number 6. In this lecture, we will create a purchase ledger and then we will purchase inventory. For this purpose, first we will go into accounts info and then accounts ledger. I press L. Here I press C to create main ledger, and from main ledger we will create a purchase ledger. I name it ABC's purchase, and no need to write its abbreviate name. Here we will decide what type of ledger this is and under which account this ledger should be, as this is purchase ledger. So we will find here in the list purchase account, and here this is. I press enter. Inventory values are affected, yes. With purchase, inventory is increased and with sale, inventory decreases. Press enter, and here we can give our our company's opening balance for purchases if we have already done some purchases. But as we are running a new company, no need to put any balance here. Press enter and yes to accept the change. In the same way, we will create a sales ledger when sales transactions will come. Now press escape twice to quit from the window. Here again escape, and you come here on the main screen. From here we will go into accounting voucher to do some purchase transactions. I press V to enter into vouchers, but here by default payment voucher is shown. We should find purchase voucher, and that is F9 short key. For this voucher I press F9. This is purchase voucher. Here first of all reference, as this is first transaction, I write here 1. Press enter. You should select from which ledger you will pay your vendor, and we select bank account. For this purpose press enter. This is suppliers. Here we will write the name of our supplier, Mr. A, and his address. No sales tax number. Press enter, and now here your purchase ledger should be, and we have recently created our purchase ledger, so I press enter here. Now here inventory items should be shown. We have created TV and keyboard. For inventory items I press T, and here in the list TV is shown. Likewise you can create other inventory like fridge, VCR, and uh, air conditioner and other electronics items. And under computer category you can write mouse. You can create mouse, LCD, scanner, printer for its inventory item. Now we have written TV. I press enter, and here the amount of the quantity of TV which we want to purchase. I write here 50 pieces and 12,000 amount is which we have entered when we created inventory items, and by multiplying 12,000 with 50, an amount of 6 lakh is shown in the amount field. And now we want to purchase other inventory, and that is keyboard. Press K and keyboard is selected, and there already shown 100 pieces which we have mentioned that they are our opening balance for keyboard, and here 10 for opening balance of TV. I press enter. Here I will write the quantity of purchase of keyboard. If I purchase 500 keyboards, I press enter. 220 is purchase price, and by multiplying 220 into 500, an amount of 1,10,000 is shown, and total of the both of the amounts is shown here. I press enter. As we have no other inventory yet created, so I press enter and give here in ration field check by which we want to pay our vendor. I press enter. You can also add your ration about your transaction. Now accept this by press Y. Your first transaction of purchase is completed. Now we will quit from this window, as we do not want to transact any other purchase. I press escape twice. I came on this main window. Now I show you reports balance sheet first. By pressing B, you will be in balance sheet, and here your amounts are shown. As we have different amounts, we have different uh, payment and receipts, vouchers. So no purchase is clearly shown here. Escape to quit from here. Now profit and loss. Here you can see purchase is shown by 7 lakh 10,000, which we have recently purchased this amount, and our opening and closing stock is this one, as we had already some opening stock. So our purchase is shown here. I quit from this window by pressing escape. Now stock summary. I press S to enter into stock summary. Here clearly shown in computer group that 600 pieces, 500 we have purchased recently, and 100 we have shown our opening balance. So 6,000 this one. And from electronics group, here you can see 60 pieces. 10 pieces we have shown as opening balance for TV, and the other, here is TV, and the other 50 we have purchased recently, and total of 8 lakh and 52,000 is shown here, which we have seen in profit and loss account. Escape. And this is, you can also go into display. We will in next lectures go into depth of these reports. No need to watch to waste your time. This time there is no need. Escape, and I hope you have learned and enjoyed this lecture. It was revolved around purchase of inventory. So I say you goodbye. Thank you very much.